first step, we are preheating the oven. Then here we have some recipe. We have 100 grams of sugar, a pinch of salt, 4 eggs, margarine, and 1 cup of flour, combined with a teaspoon of baking powder. Sorry for that. We're going to beat mix of blueband and sugar till it become a creamy like. You can use whisk or electrical mixer. So a mixture of margarine and sugar. Get a cream at a time, 1 egg at a time, while you beat it. That is. We are done with beating the mixture. Next we are going to add the flour. Before adding the flour to the mixture, you need to sieve it first. So as for me, nilikuwa nishaisieve kitambo. Next we are folding it. You're transferring it to a baking dish, though I'm not using a baking dish, I'm using a sufurias. And here is our cake. So after removing it from the oven, unafaa kuweka kwa rack cool for some time. Here is our vanilla cake. Wow. Now we are cutting our cake.